Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools on hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely opening your laptop and preventing any static damage to components. Start by powering off your Asus TUF Gaming A15 and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Be careful to keep track of these screws, as they can vary in size. There are typically around 10 screws to remove, so take your time to avoid losing any. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Insert the spudger into the seam and carefully work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back panel is removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop, including the GPU. Next, locate the GPU regulator. It typically sits near the graphics card and is connected with a few more screws. If you're unsure, consult your laptop's service manual for the exact location. Before proceeding, ensure you're grounded by wearing the anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge that could harm your laptop. Now, unscrew the GPU regulator carefully. Keep these screws organized, as you'll need them when installing the new regulator. If you notice any dust buildup, take this opportunity to clean the internal components with compressed air. This helps maintain optimal airflow and cooling efficiency in your laptop. If your GPU is malfunctioning and you don't have the tools or experience to replace the regulator yourself, don't worry. We offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can identify the issue and advise you on the best course of action. After removing the old regulator, it's time to install the new one. Position the new GPU regulator in place and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure that it's firmly in place, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the component. Once the new regulator is installed, reconnect any cables that may have been detached during the process. This often includes the GPU power connector. Check that everything is secure and in its rightful position before replacing the back panel. Before closing up your laptop, it's a good idea to test the device. Reconnect the power and turn on your laptop to ensure that the GPU is functioning correctly. If everything seems to be in order, power it off once more and proceed to reattach the back panel. Align the back panel carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all screws to ensure the panel is secure. Remember, if you prefer not to handle this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This service makes it easy for you, as there are no calls or travel involved. Finally, power on your laptop again and enjoy enhanced performance with your newly replaced GPU regulator. If you experience any further issues, feel free to reach out to us for a quote before repair. We are here to help you get your gaming experience back on track. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.